You asked, how to divide 140,050 by 270 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 14 is too small. 140 is too small. Use 1,400. 1,400 divided by 270 equals 5. 5 times 270 equals 1,350. 1,400 minus 1,350 equals 50. Bring down 5, making 505. 505 divided by 270 equals 1. 1 times 270 equals 270. 505 minus 270 equals 235. Bring down 0, making 2,350. 2,350 divided by 270 equals 8. 8 times 270 equals 2,160. 2,350 minus 2,160 equals 190. The remainder is 190. The final result is 518, remainder 190.